What's up, YouTube? It's your girl K to the A to the I, back with another video showing y'all my half wig style. I get so many compliments on this, so I wanted to make sure I can share it. I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. 2020, I'm here. Let's get it. So first, what I'm gonna do is literally part my hair into 4 different sections and just make 4 different cornrows. You do not have to do this with your half wig. I just do it because I think it looks really nice, because you want to have something in the front of your head, because the half wig of course is only half of a wig. But if I'm in a rush, I typically will literally just part my hair down the middle and do my hair slick down into a back bun and hop it on. Or sometimes I will just slick my hair back in general if I'm really in a rush and put my half wig on top. You can do so many styles with this. Of course, you're gonna go in with your Eco Styler gel, my favorite gel, and just lay down the front part of your braids because you want those to be slicked down in the front. All right, so let me just get into it and answer the question that I know a lot of you are gonna want the answers to, and that is, drum roll, where did I get this wig from and how much did it cost? So the wig is actually $15. It is synthetic hair, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. I know, can you believe it? Like, literally just walked in there and got it. So I actually have 2 of these. One is a looser curl and this one is a little bit more curly. Bruh, my arms is tired already and it's only been 1 braid. Anyone else feel me on that? Like, sometimes I literally do my hair and my arms, I swear it's like I'm getting my own little workout with my arms because my arms be on fire. I also have 3C 4A hair. I think, y'all, I don't know, sometimes I think it's 4B, sometimes I think it's 4A only. It just depends on the day. I recently cut my hair, so I'm not really feeling how my hair looks curly right now. It's just a weird shape, so I'm hoping for it to grow out really soon. I don't think I'm gonna cut my hair again. Maybe not, but I really don't think I am because I'm really not feeling how my hair looks curly in this cut. I cut my hair into a bob, but when it's curly in a bob, it's not the cutest to me. I think I need a shape. I think I need to add a shape to my natural hair. We'll see. The summer is coming. We will see how that turns out.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Breezes seem to whisper
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper you. Dream a little dream. Now, darling, but I love you. Still craving your kiss. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper you.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Dream a little dream.
All right, so now it's time for the best part, laying these edges. Say it with me, ladies. Laying these edges. So I just take some of my Eco Styler gel and I kind of rub it on my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna go in with a brush and then kind of make a circle motion. I'm not one to try to force my baby hairs. I haven't really mastered that. So whatever comes out when I put the gel on, that's what I swoop. I got a little bit of baby hairs. It ain't nothing crazy, but it's something there. And I literally just make a little swoop with my brush.
Shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
After I swoop them baby hairs, I'm just gonna take my scarf and wrap it around my head tightly for about 10 minutes. If you do it for 10 minutes, it should be like tight enough for you to really secure the baby hairs so they turn hard and they're not like all over the place. Now is the time you've all been waiting for. Here goes my half wig. So I'm literally just gonna put the comb part. There's a comb at the top and the bottom, and I'm gonna stick it like midway through my head, and then I'm gonna take those braids that I have underneath and I'm gonna tuck them into the half wig right underneath. It doesn't get bulky or anything. And then I take the bottom comb and stick it up under my head. This wig does not have a drawstring, so for my ladies that's trying to get loose in the club, this probably won't be the wig for you. But if you're just trying to sit somewhere cute and do a couple of head nods, it is really secure though. And I will say that if you just get you some bobby pins, you could just stick it in there. I've never had any issues with it coming off or moving or anything like that because of the combs. Now I'm just taking a piece of hair from the bottom and I'm just gonna braid it, because the top part of the wig, of course, you can see the wig line. So I'm just gonna braid this up and then put it across my head so that way you can't see the wig line.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
So So once the braid is done, again, just pulling that across, and I'm gonna tuck it underneath the wig. You can also use a bobby pin for this as well. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. $15 half wig from my local beauty supply store. I am clearly feeling myself. I always get so many compliments on this hairstyle. People think it's mine sometimes. Let me know what y'all think. If you're gonna try to go out and cop you a half wig after this quarantine is over, of course, let me know. I would love to see any hairstyles. If you mimic this, please tag me. Would love to see it. See you next time.